I'd like to give you guys some of my observations dun sa mga nako-coach ko one-on-one so that I can give you the golden nuggets and you can replicate successful strategies from these people na, nakakakuha ng sort of like progress, magandang progress na nakasay ng clients or nakakaland ng interviews. So, the most unsexy advice na siguro narinig nyo na elsewhere but it's just true, wala ng secret formula, is showing up every day. Napaka-generic na show up every day and do the hard work. Do the boring work every day. Kasi wala talagang secret formula na send mo itong email template na to and then follow mo siya dito tapos ganito ganyan. Walang ganun na step-by-step formula na gagawin mo lagi. It's mainly all about showing up every day, reaching out to as much people as possible. Ang sweet spot, just to let you guys know, ang sweet spot when it comes to outreach is reaching out to potentially 20, not potentially, reaching out to minimum of 20 potential clients every day. And, maybe sasabihin niya ako na, 20, ang dami nun. Okay, yung mga taong gustong manalo, that's part of the game, numbers game. Actually, the goal nga is like 100 per day, pero yun yung parang medyo hardcore na. I'd say sweet spot, yung 20 every day consistently. Do that for like a month or two. There's like a really high likelihood meron kang interviews. Next thing sa interviews or sa discovery calls is a potential client or a free or paid client, kumbaga. Another observation ko, na-mention ko na to sa previous call natin or sa previous Q&A call. Hindi lang to nag-a-apply sa ginagawa nating JHL field, hindi lang siya nag-a-apply sa current work natin or sa, currently at what we do. Nag-a-apply siya in multiple areas, in multiple domains in life. It is that marami sa inyo, you guys don't feel confident about reaching out to potential clients. You don't feel confident sa pagtatry na mag-work kasi you feel intimidated, you feel like hindi ka pa ready, ganyan. And I get it, ang daming sasabi sa akin, and it's very much normal. I dug deeper, sa ganyang situation, yung mga walang confidence. And I realized, actually na-post ko to sa TikTok, I realized a lot of you guys needs to hear this. I think you guys need to develop that confidence in your ability to figure things out later. What I mean by that is the real confidence na kailangan nyong i-build sa sarili nyo is that confidence sa sarili nyong capability, sa sarili nyong ability to find out yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pa alam sa ngayon later. Does that make sense? So, as an example, if kunwari si Mr. Client nagsabi sa'yo, hey, build mo ako ng AI web chat widget and hindi mo siya alam sa ngayon, you need to have that confidence in your ability to figure out how to make that happen. That confidence sa ability mo to ask around, ask people sa loob ng calling community and maybe even search resources as to how to build that. Kasi it's very much possible na maaral talaga yung mga ganyang bagay. And so, ang dami kasing vague na advices online na sinasabi, just be confident and fake it till you make it, mga ganyan-ganyan. But really, I dug deeper. Yun yung kailangan nyo marinig. Have that confidence in your ability to figure it out later. Mga bagay na hindi nyo pa alam sa ngayon. And you'll be alright. And na-share ko yan because it's the type of mentality na nakikita ko na parang pattern with people na nagkakaroon ng success with what we do. Excuse me. Nagkakaroon ng traction, nagkakaroon ng magandang progress, and nagkakaroon ng success story, I would say. They bet on their own ability to figure it out later. So, that should give you the initial confidence. You need to be upfront, honest sa sarili mo na marami ka pang hindi alam sa GOI level, and that's okay. And the best type of learning, honestly, the best way to learn GHL is to work with a client. And syempre, you guys are asking me, how will I work with a client? Do it for free. It's like the most pinakamabilis na learning curve na may experience, yung work with a client for free. And I would say it's easy to find clients na pwedeng yung offeran ng free services. The common activity na ginagawa ng mga successful people na recently, like I'm not even joking, recently nakakasay ng clients and nakakalan ng mga interviews and discovery calls What they do, surprisingly, they don't focus too much on freelancing sites. Akala ko like, pwede na tayo mag-depend fully sa freelancing sites. But apparently, if you execute it properly, magkakaroon ka ng free clients. What I mean by free clients is working for free. Magkakaroon ka ng free clients sa Facebook groups. So I have this one member, naka-assign siya ng free client just by sparking conversations on Facebook groups. And I'll give you guys like a sense of direction sa kung paano niya ginawa. Hindi siya nag-post or hindi siya nag-comment or hindi siya nag-engage sa Facebook groups na kaya niyang gawin ng GHL. That's like scratching the surface. It's like surface level na napakababaw na approach. Kasi pag nag-post ka doon na I can build funnels for you, I can do this for you, I can do this and that for you, I honestly think makikick out ka. That is soliciting and ayaw ng mga admins yun, ng mga communities. Ang ginagawa niya, yung member na tinutukoy ko, ginawa niya is nagsaspark siya ng conversations instead of focusing sa features and sa systems na kaya niyang ibenta or sa lahat ng meron sa GHL na kaya niyang ibenta, nagka-spark siya ng conversations. Nag-post siya something along the lines of, "Hey gym owners, how long does it usually take for a customer to go from an inquiry to a free trial? Is it costing revenue to your business? Question mark." By asking that question, it highlights a problem and it sparks conversation. Next thing he knows, may nagde-DM sa kanya, maybe may nagko-comment sa post niya, even mga nagla-like sa post niya, and he can easily reach out to those kinds of people offering free services. And by the way, the goal for free services is to get the testimonial out of them. Kaya tayo gumagawa ng free services. Bukod sa matututo ka, you'll get your testimonial and positive review, and it's easier to charge money later kapag meron ka ng testimonials and positive reviews and success stories and the experience of working with a client. I hope that makes sense. Haba ng sinabi ko, napaka golden nuggets yun. Lahat ng na-observean ko in the last several days, I just dropped it.